today's session, we'll see Python installation on Windows operating system. First of all, in my machine, if you see which operating system is available, properties. See, it is all showing device name, processor, OS build, edition Windows 11. So my system is having Windows 11. If you see official documentation of Python, we can see various versions are available. What is the latest version? Latest Python 3 release, Python 3.12.1, and you can see stable releases, and you can also see pre-releases. We'll check for stable releases. Up to 3.9 we can use on Windows 7. 3.10 onwards we cannot use on Windows 7 or earlier operating system. Whoever having Windows 11, they can install latest version. And if you see here, download Windows embeddable package 32-bit, download embeddable package 64-bit, download ARM64, download Windows installer 32-bit, download Windows installer 64-bit. You need to check which bit your OS is having, how to install Python software by using Windows installer. So in our case 64-bit, just click on this. We are going to install 3.12.1. Click on it. It will download here like this. Folder. This is the file. Double click on it. Here it will show this screen. Install Python 3.12.1 64-bit. It is showing two options, install now and customize installation. So better you go for customize installation. Click on it. Here you can see use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Add python.exe to path. These options also available. Click on use. Click on add python.exe to path. Then click on customize installation. Here it is showing optional features, documentation, pip, TCL by TK, and IDLE. IDLE is like integrated development learning environment. By using this, we can execute Python program. We'll see later. Python test suite, py launcher for all users. These are the optional features. Click on next. Here we can see install Python 3.12 for all users. Associate files with Python required by PyLauncher. Create shortcuts for installed application. Add Python to environment variables. Precompile standard library. So many advanced options also there. If by default whichever it is there, you choose just like that. Don't disturb any other things. Here customize install location. If you want to change this customize install location, you can change it by browsing. Wherever you want, you can choose that folder. You can keep it here. So in my case, I am not disturbing. It is users 91701 app data local programs Python like this Python 3.3.12. Then you need to click on install. Okay, it will install your Python software. In my case, I have already installed, so I don't want to install again. So I'm clicking on cancel. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. This is how we need to execute Python software in your machine. Okay, that's all for today's session.